Introducing the Oval Hanging Rods package. This package incorporates 30 by 15mm oval rods into cabinet vision. It provides drilling for the brackets and pillars in the cabinet parts for CNC output. It also adds 3D models for the rods, pillars, and brackets. Included in this package are 4 oval rod materials, 1 part for the brackets, and 1 user-created standard. The oval hanging rods can be activated by changing the material of a shelf or fixed shelf. Right-click on a shelf or fixed shelf and select Properties. Press the Change button to change the material. Search for oval rod. Click on the arrow next to the rod oval 30 by 15 material. Click OK. The shelf will now change to an oval rod. Select the oval rod in the face view to see the rod attributes. To use centre pillars or end pillars, ensure the gap above the rod is 41mm. To move the right pillar, use the right adjustment. Change the rod oval bracket RH to an end pillar. This must be in face view. To change the centre pillar quantity, use the rod oval pillar quantity attribute while in face view. To move the rod in or out, use the in-out attribute. To change the rod back to a shelf, you can simply use the Remove Material override. Or you can delete the shelf and add it again. There are 4 public variables of the RODS Oval UCS. The rod end gaps determines what the length of the rod will be on your reports. The pillar lengths 1 and 2 determine what lengths the first and second centre pillars will automatically be added. The drilling sizes for the brackets and pillars are provided as material parameters. To edit the sizes, in the Material Manager, right-click on the material and select Properties. Click the Parameters button. Change the following values to your requirements. For extensive use of oval rods, preset your material schedule to default shelves to rods for a more efficient setup. Now when you add a shelf, it will already be an oval rod. For detailed instructions, please refer to the accompanying documentation. Thank you for choosing Solid Setup Plus.